And today we are with the Minecraft Masters, and we are going to be playing some Moony Wars. And I guess let's just do the beach. Go on some beach, and I will see. Oh, it's starting. It's starting. I don't even have to pause it. We're right in there. Okay, I'll vote for some overpowered and double health. Hopefully, yeah, it's gonna be normal health. I'm sad about that. Okay, I got the iron gen first. Someone must have gone up there. I guess I will just get that running. It's not exact point. And then, okay. I look good. Is that the 20 gold? Yeah. But no, is that 20 iron? That's easy. Oh, good. That. I look good. That's just easy. Okay, so we have another gen up here. Oh god, no one has tucked around that. I bet in the beginning maybe. But I mean, like, you get my point. And then, so we're gonna build already. Let's just okay. Just wait, and wait, and wait, and wait, and wait until we get there. Hopefully we have enough. Now, just a little more. Oh, hopefully he has it. Oh, does he not have it? I'll just go, I guess. I mean, we got eggs so protected. I understand. So protected. Okay, he's protecting my bro. More than my bro. Making all look glossy. Okay. Okay, we're not getting it off. Just making sure. I do not want to get a caught. Here, I'm feeling like it's not the smartest thing in the world to do that. Okay, so I guess I'll just okay. They ran away from the amazing West. Oh, he's so stacking himself. Ugh. I guess if they're not gonna let me in front of her. I do not want to die. Wait, what team am I? Oh god, I did not go up. I'm orange, I'm pretty sure. Oh, run like a baby. Wait, where's my diamondos? I never got any? Oh my god. That's annoying. Lesky. Are you sure I don't? What? That's unfair. Unfair. Okay, that's 5. That's enough to give me it. Wait. Okay. Going over here. And there we go. I'm just gonna wait. I'll see you when I am done just hanging out here. I'm sorry, what happened basically is I was sitting on my gen, saw people still fighting, and then everyone was dead, and then they went to the egg, and they destroyed it, and then, well, I fell off the bridge, and then they destroyed it, so I got 1 more life. And then I tried to hide in a corner, and that didn't work out. So, I will see you later in another video. So, goodbye!